Hey everybody, so we're back with another video on this Nitro Fortec from Traxxas. It's an old one, and I just made a video that came out recently, probably just the other day for you guys, and we put all of it together because it was just trashed basically. So now, I already filled up the gas, and now we're going to see if we can get it running for the first time, and then this is basically going to be a video of me breaking it in, and we're going to be doing it basically by the book. Hopefully I have enough gas to do it in properly. If not, we'll be basically. Yeah, let's get right into it. Also, as you've probably seen in the clip, this thing does runaways every time it runs. So hopefully that doesn't happen. Otherwise, I don't know. I'm going to have to put it in a different car, I guess. Oh, baby. Alright, let's take it up to the road and actually try this bad boy out. So I think good rule of thumb here is first run, full tank, quarter throttle, with no body, is how this normally goes. And then we'll do another one where it's half throttle, probably body off as well. And then we'll run it with body on from there on. Third tank, we'll do a 3/4 throttle if we have enough for 2 more tanks. We will do one where it's nearly full throttle, just to where it doesn't switch gears or at max basically, and then one where we're full gunning it, and that's usually how this goes. So let's mess around, get this bad boy fired up real quick. I am so excited about this. This thing runs nice already, I can tell. It almost seems like it's already tuned nice, too. Alright, so one tank is ran through, so we'll fill it back up and give it half throttle this time. So let's do that real quick, too. stairs are a bit slippery for this. That white piece right there that's connected to the steering servo. Looks like it came apart about 2/3 of the way through that tank. Second round. I'm gonna go see if I have another piece, fix this bad boy up, and continue where we were. Big bummer. What can you expect from an oldie though, huh? Okay, good news. I found this. Because the piece we broke is this one right here. I think it exploded. The whole spring inside of these broke out. This one's like the one that came with it though, so it's still as old as this entire car is. And this one's metal, so high hopes for this bad boy. So we're gonna put that on, and also it did a lot of spinning outside, and I thought that was kind of weird. As I was coming inside, I was looking at these treads. And they're all pointing backwards, and for some reason I feel like that's wrong. If you're watching this, comment, let me know if you agree. But either way, I think I'm just gonna switch them around. And also, a really good way of doing that, as we all know from Kev, is just like this, baby. Whoosh, bam, good as new. Got that piece in there. Hopefully it stays in there. Looks pretty. Wheels are switched around. So let's go finish running this motor in. Alright, so I just finished up that second tank that we were working on when it decided to crap out. Everything went well. So now I filled out the third one. We're going to be running it 3/4 gas on off with the body on. So I'm going to get started, get the body on there, and then we'll record a little bit of that too. And also I noticed that switching the wheels around, world difference. It's amazing. I'm such a goob. Alright, be right back. Let's do this. How cool is that? So I just finished up that second tank that we were working on when it decided to crap out. Everything went well. So now I filled out the third one. We're going to be running it 3/4 gas on off with the body on. So I'm going to get started, get the body on there, and then we'll record a little bit of that too. And also I noticed that switching the wheels around, world difference. It's amazing. I'm such a goob. Alright, be right back. Let's do this. How cool is that? Alright, run number 3, done. We're on to number 4, and then number 5, and it should be good. These tires, still not enough grip, I think, though. Like, every time, like, even on the 3/4 throttle, it'll just spin out so easy. Needs gyro, needs the grippy tires that I have. Hopefully those ones that I have will grip better. We'll test out after this motor's broken. But let's move on. She's already gassed up. Just gotta fire it up, and we'll be on to just about max throttle is what we're gonna be trying to do. It's gonna be really hard though, considering this thing spins out. But you know, some is better than none. Oopsie, killed it. So, everything is nice and dirty. I kind of wish I wasn't so far from my house at the moment, because I'd clean this filter up before running the final tank through it, because I think it's making it cut out a bit, because no airflow or whatever, I don't know. But we're just going to run it anyways, put the last tank through, and try to give it the bee's knees without it spinning out or crashing off the road. And then that'll do it. I think now we're just going to be trying to give it the nuts. Maybe seeing if this thing hits second gear or not. So let's give it a go. And that's really all there is to it. Just remember, after you run, every time, take out your glow plug, take off your filter, clean the inside of your filter, easy to take apart, and then put some afterrun oil, a few drops, in your carb and in your glow starter with it out. Drop them right in there into that piston inside of there. Give this thing a few pumps, or if you got the electric start, push that boot toe like 5 times for just a second or two. Try to burn out that extra fuel, get it lubed up, so that way next time you're ready to run, it'll be starting up real easy and good every time. And it's good. It's basic good care for maintenance for your motor too. It'll make it last longer and whatnot. Obviously, this thing definitely needs a bath now, and it's probably gonna need to be leaned out a bit. Idle seemed really good to me, but I think it could be leaned out a little bit more. I didn't even have it hit second gear, and I didn't really want to, because these tires are just way too, or nowhere near as grippy as I need them to be. I have another set, so hopefully they do better than these ones. But anyways, if you liked what you see, if you thought any of that was helpful, leave a like, subscribe, comment if you thought I did something stupid or funny. Anyways, thanks for watching. Thanks for your time today. Have a great time. Bye.